In a world of massive machinery, true precision starts at the smallest scale imaginable. Meet the elite team of tiny engineers behind your perfect morning cup of espresso. Every heavy bolt is tightened and every copper tube is aligned with microscopic accuracy. These miniature masters work tirelessly to ensure that every internal wire and connection is absolutely flawless. Witness the culmination of giant-sized engineering through the work of these tiny, expert hands. A masterpiece of flavor, born from a world where the smallest details mean everything. Experience the grand art of the perfect brew.